Hi again. It is time for another music lesson. And this time, my song, One World. And again, just to go through the music basics, both Eastern and Western, music is all about 7 notes. In Eastern, Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, and in Western, Do Re Mi Fa So La Ti Do. As the same tune, just the notes are different. And we will sing the song. This song is based on very simple thought and raga. It's called Bilabal. Sa re ga ma pa dha ni sa. So this is the most simple thought. In East and West, the main differences are, in the West, they have the scales A, B, C, D, E, F, G and the modes. And in the East, we have the thoughts. There are 10 thoughts, each made of Sa Re Ga Ma Pa Dha Ni Sa, all complete. But the only difference is that they make a pattern so that each thought is very unique in style and in feelings. And this song is based on the most simple thought, and that's the Bilabal thought, also the rag called Bilabal. Thoughts are the basis of ragas. East Indian music has hundreds of ragas, all evolved from those 10 thoughts. This song, One World song, is based on 6 beats: Dhadina Natina, Dhin Dhin Dha Dhatina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this instrument, it is called the harmonium. Harmonium. This is very similar to accordion. Only thing is that, you bellow with your left hand and you play with your right hand. Unlike piano, you can play with both hands. Here your left hand is always busy doing the bellowing. Oh, one world, many nations, many cultures, many visions, religious celebrations, bringing all people close together. So now I try to sing fast. Oh, one world, many nations, many cultures, many visions, religious celebrations, bringing all people close together. One more time. Oh, one world, many nations, many cultures, many visions, religious celebrations, bringing all people close together. For what? United, one mission, marching forward. United, one mission, marching forward. Coexisting in heaven on earth, void of all words. Coexisting in heaven on earth, void of all words. United, one mission, marching forward. United, one mission, marching forward. Coexisting in heaven on earth, void of all words. Superstitious information, ill-conceived manipulations, shown self-centered illusions. As I speed. Superstitious information, ill-conceived manipulations, shown self-centered illusions, bred violence and brought most separations. What? Bred violence and brought most separations. So, superstitious information, ill-conceived manipulations, sown self-centered illusions, bred violence and brought most separations. Among once free, joyous, secular souls, among once free, joyous, secular souls, creating hells in parts of earth with mighty dominations, among once free, joyous, secular souls, creating hells in parts of earth with mighty dominations. And now to put it together. Superstitious information, ill-conceived manipulations, sown self-centered illusions, bred violence and brought more separation. Among once free, joyous, secular souls, creating hells in parts of earth with mighty dominations. Time has never been so right. For what? To share the fruits of labor and minds. Time has never been so right to share the fruits of labor and minds. Enacting united decisive fights. Enacting united decisive fights. Fights for what? For sustainable science and commerce of hearts. For sustainable science and commerce of hearts. And so now all together. Time has never been so right. Time has never been so right to share the fruits of labor and might, enacting united decisive fights for sustainable science and commerce of hearts. How? Embracing truth as the very basis of life. Embracing truth as the very basis of life. Embracing truth as the very basis of life. Guaranteeing forever equal human rights. Guaranteeing forever equal human rights. Time has never been so right to share the fruits of labor and might, enacting united decisive fights for sustainable science and commerce of life. Embracing as the very basis of life, guaranteeing forever equal human rights. Oh, many nations, many cultures, many visions, religious repression, bringing our people together, united one mission, marching forward. United one mission, marching forward, coexisting in heaven on earth, void of all wars. My fellow citizens, since 9/11/2001 attack on the United States of America, without any public investigation and starting the war on terror, not only the war on terror, also the war on all the religions and cultures and the fundamental faith, that is not acceptable, because we need a world where all the religions and cultures, they are coexisting together. And without the military and covert intelligences, they will always do that. Religions and cultures, they have existed for a long time. But now there is an attack on the religion, so that all religions would look alike, like the Anglicans of Britain. That has taken over Vatican via Holy See and ESMO. So now they are trying to convert all the other religions also look alike. They worship king and queen. They are against Islam so much because Islam is the only religion where God is not a king or lord. God is God. They have changed all the other religions. Like in Buddhism, Buddha was the just king, but they made Buddha a king. And in Hinduism, gods and goddesses all are there. Some are king and queens. So the Islam is the only religion on earth now where God is really God, not a king or lord. God bless our world towards peaceful coexistence, celebrating all cultural and religious plurality.